Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Ramble session. So, golly day. Here are my hands. Hello. I hope y'all had a great weekend. We had a so-so weekend. Everything is topsy-turvy, if you know what I'm saying. So, yeah, everyone's dealing with that, taking precautions and whatnot. So, yeah. So let's just go on with what's been going on here. I did receive my date stickers from Brooke, from Recreations by Brooke. And thank you very much, Brookie, my sweetheart. And what I'll do with this is I will cut this out and then put it into my journal as a pocket so that, of course, I will know that I got my date stamps or stickers. I always call them stamps, and they're not stamps, they're stickers. So anyway, I have not really been working on my journal the past, oh my gosh, like 2 weeks, I think, mainly because I've been doing other things, and I have been, what's it called? I've been filming a lot, okay? So if you have missed any of my videos from last week, I think I put out a video every single day, whether it was a flip through, I had a haul video of a bunch of library books and Salvation Army books that I had gotten. I put out a lovely rack video that I had gotten from Carla Frizzell, and yeah, some other things. So I've just been busy doing other things, quite honestly. So yeah, not too much in the way of journaling. This is some beautiful fabric that I'm going to put in my book. Here are my stickers from Brooke. As you can see, I've only done 2 days in March 1st and March 2nd. So, and well, I don't know that I've ever shown you these like up close, right? You could always go to Brooke's Etsy shop, but here are the date stickers. She watercolors them and then hand letters everything, and then makes it into either a digital, if you would prefer a digital version of it, or she does it on sticker paper. And then she has weather stickers and some other beautiful little tidbits you can use. And then she has this little like washi tape strips and just beautiful items. Hand painted little girls here. All this is hand painted, and it's just beautiful, beautiful. And then all of this International Find a Phone Booth Day. That's cute. Pie Day, National Waffle Day. So super duper cute. Stamps. So if you haven't ordered from Brooke, go ahead and check out her Etsy shop below. So let's see. Yeah, I'm still, these are the same 2 pages that you saw, right? So I still have some things that I need to do, right? Because what's today? Today's the 16th. So I don't know if I'll even have time, because this week we're going we're just going down south for the week, and then because my daughter's school got closed, along with many other schools that have now been closed. So they've extended the spring break. And good news and bad news, of course, obviously the reasons they had to close the schools down. But we're going to go down south tomorrow. And so for the rest of today, I need to clean up my whole house because my in-laws are coming this weekend. They start work next Monday. So yeah, I need to get the whole house cleaned today because we're leaving tomorrow. And then my daughter and I, for her regular spring break, which starts like on the 23rd, I guess, or something, we were supposed to actually, we still at this point intend on going, I think. But we were planning a trip, a girls' trip, up and around, like up through the east coast of Florida, and then up through Georgia, and then up through, oh gosh, I don't even know, North Carolina, then up through Tennessee, then back around, and then we were going to end our trip in Atlanta for a meetup with Gals on the Go. I think that's their podcast name, and it's a podcast that my daughter enjoys listening to. And so when she found out that they were having a meetup during her spring break, she was like, let's go make a trip out of it. So I said, sure, why not? And then all hell broke loose. So I don't know if we're going to be able to go or not. And it's going to be very disappointing if we're not able to go. So there's the long and the short of that. So I don't know when I'm going to be able to work on my book, to be honest with you. And then, of course, you saw this last week, this beautiful book that Carla Frizzell made me. And if you missed this with all these goodies, if you missed this video, I will put the link below. It's just a fabulous flow book. And if you don't know what a flow book is, it's a book filled with yummy goodness that is temporarily bound in so that you can use whatever's in the book to make your journal pages out of, your journal tucks, tags, pockets, whatever you want. So it's just a fabulous way of having a collection of items in one spot that then you can take with you with your journal, and you just have the 2 books, a glue stick, and a pen, and you're good to go. So I think when I go on, when I go out of town tomorrow, I'm going to take this with me to use in my book and hopefully get a chance to work on it. And then if my daughter and I end up going on our trip, I'll probably take this with me as well so that I can, journal while I'm gone. Maybe, hopefully, I don't know. We might be too busy. We might not. It might be a ghost town. So I might have nothing better to do than to sit and work in my journal. So who knows? So that was really sweet. So if you missed that, make sure you check that out and check out Carla's link below because, I will link her YouTube channel below and her Etsy shop below. She makes just beautiful, beautiful journals. So make sure you check her out. And then I also worked on, let's see, when did I work on these? These are the little Dollar Tree little treat bags. They're like whatever kind of bags they are. What are they called? Like little lunch sacks, right? And so what I did was I made a bunch of little, I have not finished the innards yet, but I made a bunch of little cute little journals out of them, with a little pocket back here, and they're just super cute. And so a few of you asked if I would do a tutorial on them, and of course I did a tutorial, and that will air tomorrow. So make sure you check back here on the channel and I will have the tutorial for these. I ended up making 10 of them. I will be donating one of them to my sweet friend Laura, who is the Jersey Crafter. She's doing a giveaway thing on her channel at some point. I'm not really sure. You need to go check I'll put the video link below. So you need to check out that video, I think. I don't know. I'm not even sure I'm going to enter the giveaway, but I do want to participate in it, And so here's all my goodies in here that I have that I still have to finish the books with. And then as far as the other ones go, they will either be given away or you might even see a giveaway right here on this channel. But I don't announce my giveaways, so you'll just have to stay tuned for which video that's going to be on. They're super cute little journals, and they were a lot of fun to make, and I made 10 of them. So, and again, I can't remember when I made them. Maybe it was Friday. Now I hear a weird noise. That's odd. Okay. Yeah, I don't know when I made them. Because also I forgot to mention, like Saturday, I think it was Saturday, I woke up and I ended up having like a POTS episode, which really, really stinks. And it puts me in bed like the whole day, or just about the whole day. Yeah, it's not fun when your heart rate gets up to like 140s, 150s. For no apparent reason, but that's what I live with. So yeah, but it hasn't happened in like probably a year, so I don't know what happened. I don't know if I was dehydrated or what, but at any rate, I got that done. I got these done, and so I worked on that. So make sure you continue to check the channel. And then yesterday, while I was sitting watching the Jersey Crafter. What is that noise? There is some sort of noise. Maybe my lawn guys are here. I don't know. But at any rate, yesterday I was watching the Jersey Crafter and Hottie Popo, which is Laura and Susan. I'll put their links below. I was watching their live most of the day, and as I was watching their live, I turned one of these books here, the Young Children's Encyclopedia, into a journal. And I made this whole journal in a day. All right, made the whole journal in one day. I can't believe I did it. Yes, I was on sort of a deadline. So, yeah, I wanted to get it all done and finished, and I did, and I am in love with it, and it's going to be given away to a very sweet person. And if you want the flip through of this, this will be coming out in a few weeks, okay? Because I want to give it to, hopefully, give it to the recipient before it airs, yeah. And so that's what I've been working on. That's what I've been working on. My desk is a mess. I need to clean it up today along with the rest of the house and get everything situated and put away. Get my bags packed for tomorrow and all that fun stuff. So, yeah, hopefully I'll have time a little bit later today to come in here and work on my book because I am so behind. I don't know. We'll see. So, let's see. Yeah, last week, if you missed any of the videos last week, I'll go ahead and post all the videos from last week. This week coming up, I do again have videos for every day of the week. So today, of course, my ramble session, and then I have some flip throughs that I'm going to go through. I do believe it's my, I can't remember if it's my December or January flip throughs. Maybe it's my January flip throughs finally. And then I also have a video tutorial on extending pages in a journal, and so that was a video response to, I believe, Sabrina. So that will be coming up this week. And of course tomorrow, don't forget the tutorial on making these cute little journals out of the sweet little springtime lunch bags that I got at the Dollar Tree. So that'll be coming out tomorrow. Yeah, lots of videos, guys, lots of videos. So I have not had time to work in my journal because I've been too busy filming videos. So yeah. So make sure you check out all the videos. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs. Either which way you want to leave them, doesn't matter to me. And leave me a comment, you know. I love hearing from you guys, even if it's just to say hello. Yeah, so I'd appreciate that. And it does sound like my lawn people are here, cutting the lawn. Okay, well, I will get going, and I really hope y'all have a great week. I know a lot of people are going to be home. A lot of people are going to be, you know, have their kids home and all of that. Yeah, make a journal with them, okay? Make a journal with them and have some fun. Have some fun. I have still not been working in my glue book either. I'm still collecting images and all of that. And of course, I was working on all this other stuff. So I just haven't had time. But at any rate, yeah, I hope y'all have a great week. Have a great week spending time with your loved ones and family members. And yeah, I will catch you all real soon. Bye for now.